Hello and welcome, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an amazing product to review that is a game changer in the world of PC gaming. Introducing the MXZ DIY PC Gaming i5-12400F graphics card RTX2060S/3060 16GB 500GBNVME PC Gamer complete for customized PC. This PC is a beast when it comes to bleeding-edge gaming performance. With powerful latest generation hardware and easy customizability, you can get all the power that you need for running the most demanding games like Fortnite, PUBG, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, and so much more. Equipped with the 10th generation Intel Core i5-12400F processor, and adopting a new generation of welding thermal interface materials to enhance the heat dissipation solution, high special effects for playing mainstream game masterpieces, 3D modeling, and PS graphic design. New power is strengthened, and the ideal is higher. The exclusive Studio driver update with plenty of studio-related products, support PTX accelerated applications, suitable for various design fields, easily solve the designer's power on, bid farewell to the troubles of lagging, and help you quickly complete your work, and release your creative inspiration. And let's not forget the best-in-class storage with the 500GB SSD that takes up much less space and can load all your games much faster than traditional hard disk drives. Enjoy immersive gaming and quick file transfer without the hassle of slower loading times. If you need more space, please contact our customer service to add an extra HDD by extra cost. The PC also comes with ventilators de refroidissement brillants gratuits, adding a sense of style with bright cooling fans and customizable RGB LEDs. And best of all, we provide a 1-year standard warranty for all our products. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming experience with the MXZ DIY PC Gaming i5-12400F graphics card RTX2060S/3060 16GB 500GBNVME PC Gamer complete for customized PC. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Click the link in the description to get yours today, and remember, your positive feedback is highly appreciated if our products satisfy you, and unfortunately if our devices let you down. Please contact us for improvement before leaving a negative review. We are here to provide the best experience for our valued customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech reviews and gaming content. See you in the next video.